Hey guys, Ravinder Singh here from DG and Gas. So just giving you a look at a job we attended recently. So the nuts on the magnetic filter were leaking, so we fixed that, and we also serviced the Vaillant Ecofit Pure conventional boiler. We gave it a deep clean this time, cleaning out the combustion chamber. It's all tested up and running. The customer had a couple of other issues, we sorted those out as well. Cleaned out the condensate trap, cleaned the electrodes. After this we went to service her daughter's boiler around the corner as well. We cover London and surrounding areas for new installations, West and Northwest London for maintenance and service. I'm Ravinder Singh from DG and Gas. Speak to you soon guys.